As organizations step into 2026, their security landscape faces unprecedented challenges. The rise of IoT devices, cloud services, and integrated operational technology has blurred the lines between digital and physical threats. Every connected device expands the attack surface, becoming a potential target for adversaries. Malicious actors utilize automated tools and AI to conduct extensive reconnaissance and tailor their attacks. Traditional security measures struggle to keep pace as the landscape of threats quickly shifts, making static defenses inadequate. Events can now unfold within minutes, posing risks to critical infrastructure, especially in sectors like energy and healthcare. To combat this evolving threat landscape, security teams must shift from reactive to proactive strategies. Enter autonomous AI agents. These agents continuously learn and adapt, providing real-time detection and an automated response to incidents. They integrate various data sources, gaining contextual awareness to refine their threat detection capabilities efficiently. AI agents are equipped to monitor network flows, endpoint logs, and user behavior, recognizing patterns that signify unusual activity. They can take autonomous actions to isolate compromised systems, often before human analysts are even aware of an incident occurring. Organizations adopting these agents can significantly reduce mean time to detection and response. This not only enhances their security posture, but also meets stringent regulatory requirements. Key attributes of autonomous AI agents include continuous learning. They evolve their detection models from the data they encounter, allowing them to adapt to the newest threat vectors seamlessly. Contextual reasoning. By combining insights from multiple data streams, they correlate diverse signals to identify complex attack patterns. Real-time response. They act independently based on predefined risk thresholds, triggering containment strategies as needed. However, deploying these advanced systems comes with its challenges. Security teams must ensure effective integration with existing infrastructures, adaptability to various environments, and compliance with privacy regulations. As threats continue to diversify, the role of autonomous AI agents will only expand. They offer organizations a chance to protect themselves more effectively against modern adversaries while ensuring a quick, coordinated response to incidents. In conclusion, the future of threat detection lies in leveraging autonomous AI agents. Embracing this technology now means acknowledging the shift towards adaptive, intelligent security frameworks capable of outpacing emerging threats. It's time to rethink defense strategies for the realities of 2026 and beyond. To explore and implement these advanced security measures, organizations should start investing in AI-driven solutions today. Consider downloading further resources and case studies available on the Augvation web store to enrich your understanding and readiness for this transformative shift. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.